Hey, this is Mike. We just added a bunch of public data to Definite. So now when you sign up, you'll have access to a demo Snowflake warehouse that has a bunch of data like weather data, population data, some information on unemployment. If we take a look at the population data, we can pop that table open. It has basically the population by date with a country ID. And there's some lookup tables, this geo index table that has some information at a more detailed level, and then like kind of a simple name. So the geo name for United States is United States instead of this kind of archaic code. So if we wanted to ask a natural language question, we could say something like total population by country, and this data set does stop in 2021 for most countries. So we might want to say for 2021, and so we just want the top 10. So if we run this, it'll generate some SQL on the back end using our AI, and then grab the results from Snowflake. All right, so we get the results back. We can kind of check this really quickly. So population of the United States, 331, China and India, both over a billion. And if we wanted to see how this is changing over time, we could say something like, rows equals year, and columns equals, population for 2022, since some of the countries do have data after 2022, but we want a nice clean chart of just the data that has, or just the data for every year for every country. All right, so we got that back now. So for all years through 2000 to 2021, we get the population for each country. And then if we wanted to chart this out, we click visualize this data. It'll create a new chart with by default, just China. But if we wanted to add the other countries in here, we can just do add column, and say we wanted to show this as a stacked bar chart. We can flip over to bar chart and stack the data and clean up this analysis. So we probably don't want to show this, so we can get rid of that. We'll reformat the grid here. And then if we wanted to share this with our team, we can flip into this presentation mode that hides away some of the complexity, some of the SQL and the prompt itself. Obviously, since this is all just powered by natural language, if you wanted to tweak this, very easy to do. Just jump in here and change any of the text, and it'll update the SQL that's running behind the scenes.